Okay, so what is up everyone, this is Karan here. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. This is MIUI Pro by YYLLHDZ, which is based on Android version 10. As you can see, it's kind of a ported ROM, but it's kind of very cool kind of custom ROM. This is great in the terms of performance, and you can see the latest January security patch is here. This one is a stable build, a stable ported ROM actually. But let me show you the smoothness. First of all, this is very smooth. As you can see, the full screen gestures are working perfectly fine, floating windows etc. working fine, control center speed is good also. So if you're looking for a MIUI 12.5 based customer which is quite smooth, then it's good here. It does not include the latest features, but yes, as you can see, the smoothness is everywhere. You can give it a try if you want to. Let's get started. Let's find out some things which you get in this latest build. Okay, so first of all, let's gonna start with the home screen. As you can see here, we have the latest wallpapers options available, some same kind of apps. Control center does not include any kind of theming by default. It's same kind of things which you get in the latest MIUI 12.5. It's based on MIUI 12.5 and it's looking quite great here. Let me show you one more thing. This one is the new power menu. By default, you don't get this kind of power menu in other MIUI 12.5 base things, and as you can see, it does not start with those advanced reboot options here. If you want to get those advanced reboot options, you need to go to the additional settings options. Here you'll see the developer options, and here you need to go to the extended power menu. And if we enable this extended power menu, you'll see the new power menu is not there, which means the new power menu is only compatible with the normal mode. So still, if it's good, because by default you don't get the latest new power menu here, but yes, it's looking good here in this modded MIUI 12.5 ported ROM. So this seems to be a really interesting kind of thing. Let's gonna talk about some other things. As you can see, icons are from Xiaomi EU. If you go for the themes options, if you go for the my account option, here you also have the option of customizing a lot of things. Like if you go for the theme components option, you can customize the lock style, status bar, icons, messaging, dial pad, favorite tray, boot animation, boot audio, a lot more things which you can customize if you want to. It's just up to you. There are many things available there. Let me show you some other things about this build which are quite great here, and let's get started with the other things. Okay, let me show you the Magisk Manager first of all. In my case, I'm using the Magisk 21.4, and the thing is, safety net is passing, which means you will be able to use the banking apps without any issues. So this is a very interesting kind of thing. I'm sharing with you all the possible things which I just thought that I should share with you, so that's why I'm sharing with you. Let me share with you some other things now. If you go for the camera, by default we have the portrait, photo, video, etc. All of these things are perfectly working fine, but wait, let me show you one more thing. If you go for the more options, yes, we have the 48 megapixel short video, etc, etc, etc. If you go for the video mode, and if you shoot any video from here, let me share with you a bug which I got, and here it is. As you can see, the video recording is green screen, and okay, it's not ported by me, as I previously told you, so don't report me any kind of things. This one is the thing which is not fixed, and even it's not even fixed in the Google camera. Also, I'm using the Gcam is working perfectly fine with camera mode, portrait mode, and else. But the thing is, if you go for the video mode has the same kind of issues which you get in the by default camera. So yes, video mode is not perfectly working fine here. If you can survive this without this video recording, you may probably use this build in your device because of the smoothness. After using it for some time, yes, this ROM is ultra smooth, and you should give it a try if you can sacrifice that bug which is a video recording bug. If you go for the wallpaper and personalization, font setting also has a system wide variable font option available, which is available in the latest EU build also. If you go for the wallpaper section, it does not include the super live wallpapers, you can say, and by default other wallpapers are available. And yes, the super wallpapers also consumes a lot of battery, hang a lot, and a lot more things. So yes, it's good if it is not available there. If you go for the home screen, yes, it has the same kind of options available. Like we have the home screen option, home screen layout, arrange items in recents. You can simply go for the horizontal and vertical if you want to. It's just up to you. All of these things I just want to let you know I have already shared you. As you can see, the floating windows, and we have the 1.3 GB of RAM free. So yes, it's good here. These are the things I just wanted to let you know, and how you can install this given build on your device. You need two files for that, and which are those files which you require to install this. Let me share with you a little bit of stuff. Okay, yes, here it is. If you go for the files options, I'm going to show you the link for all of those files. These are the two files which are required. 70 MB of firmware and 2 GB of ROM. These two files are required to install this. Okay, so how you can install that? Simply just boot into custom recovery once. So let me just enable the extended power menu once so that I'll be able to boot into custom recovery very easily. Just click on reboot recovery mode. Let me boot into custom recovery once, and in my case I'm using the Hellas custom recovery. You can use any other custom recovery also, it's just up to you. So I'm booting into custom recovery. As you can see, I'm just trying to boot into custom recovery. As you can see, I'm using MIUI Hellas Team Win Recovery. Okay, so how you can install that? It's quite easy. First of all, you need to go to the wipe section here, click on advanced wipe. You need to go to the Dalvik cache system vendor data. Okay, all of these things, click on swipe to wipe. It shouldn't take much time to wipe all those partitions. Okay, after that what you need to go is click on install option. Here find out that firmware and ROM file, which is in my hand. The firmware and ROM file, both of the things are available. Just install them one by one or in one click, it's just up to you. After that, if required, you can format data, and if it is not required, you can flash DFE, disable force encryption. Thanks for watching. This is all. Goodbye. Have a nice day.